Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product algorithm for efficient attendance management face recognition based approach. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Spoofing attacks are one of the security threats that biometric recognition systems are proven to be vulnerable to. When spoofed, a biometric recognition system is bypassed by presenting a copy of the biometric evidence of a valid user. Existing approaches are conceptually simple. Multiple frames are required to track the face components, while lead to an increase in the detection time, and highly cooperative user actions are also required. In this process, the system proposes a novel and simple method for detecting the face liveness from a single image. The key idea of the proposed method is that the difference in surface properties between the live and fake faces can be efficiently estimated by using the diffusion speech models. Hence, in this process, we propose a such type of attendance management system by using the faces. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input images. After getting the any one input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, the noise filtering is applied. Noise filtering is nothing but the filtering the noisy regions, that is the noisy pixels presented in the image. After the noise filtering, the filtered image, that is the smoothed image, comes out from the pre-processing. Then the face detection is done by using the violations. In this violations, the yellow color bounding box is overlaid in the face regions to detect the faces. After the face is extracted from the image, and then the other backgrounds will be eliminated. Then the feature extraction will be done by using the Lpp Feature Extraction. Lpp is abbreviated as a local binary pattern. After the extraction of the feature from the image, the corresponding required values will be extracted from the faces. After that, the classification is done to recognize the person faces. Hence, we have to give the three things as an input for the classification: test feature, that is the test feature, train feature, and then the target. Test feature represents the feature of the input image, then the train feature represents the feature of the whole dataset images, then the target represents the categories of the images. First, the feature is extracted. So here, after the classification result will be displayed as whether which input is given as an input. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code, means just right click in the login_gui.m file and select the option run. Now the initial GUI design was opened. In that, you have to enter the username. Here I have to give the name like this. Then we have to give the password, then login. Now you have to open the dataset folder and then select the image from that. After the selection of the image, the corresponding image will be processed. After finishing the process, I will explain the results one by one. These are all the overall running procedures. Hence, the each and every figure window shows the results of the each and every modules. After the completion of the process, the Excel will be opened automatically. Also, the faces with the corresponding names will be shown in this guide window. Now I will explain the results one by one. Now this is the input image which I have selected from the dataset. After the selection of the input image from the dataset, the pre-processed image is shown here, that is the filtered image is shown in the figure 2. After that, the resized image is shown in the figure 3. Now the detected face regions for the each and every faces will be shown here. After that, the face region is extracted, then the feature is extracted from this all faces. Now the faces along with the names will be displayed like this. At last, finally, in the present list, the name of the each and every person's detected is shown here.
Thanks for watching this video.